in the weeds in engagement studio editing of a very large, complex program and getting edits to go exactly where we want to go. So this program, as you can see, is a big program, and all it's doing is it's trying to see what's going on with a phone number or a country, and it's changing the country. So if we don't have a country and the phone number starts with something, we change the country. Or if we have some alternate spellings and we want to change the country, we change the country. So I've been editing on this for a while, and I built it once, and then we're making it more complex, more complete. So I have through here, and then we can see that I'm done. So I want to go in and I want to edit this. I want to add a condition. I want this to any condition because it's one of these multiples. I'm looking for a default field. I'm looking for the phone number. I want this to begin with because we want a very special criteria. And then this is year plus 55, not 55, 52. But I want that tick mark. Or I want a default field, my phone number, my begins with. I also see it as this format, which is basically ways that people are entering phone numbers into spreadsheets so that they don't get damaged don't get damaged on import, but we end up with goofy values. So I want that. All right, so now I want to add countries, but I have a couple country variations. We're only allowed 5 options, so I want to add a new rule in here, and I want it to all stack. So if we add a new rule, and we want default field, and we click country is MX, right? Or we can say we want any condition country default field, and then country, and then we want contains. We want the Spanish version of this, right? And then we have also another variation. So we say default field, country contains United Mexican States, right? And then we can save that. So the trick is we want to end this. Yep, that's what we want to do. I know it sounds silly, but if we end it, and then we delete this, and now we can attach this to a closing node. So I'm going to scroll all the way down here, and I'm going to reattach that down to this end node right here. And then we can scroll back up, and then we know where we are because we get one that's a little bit wider. We scroll up and we go delete. And now that will reattach itself to what we wanted, right? And it reattached itself. So now what we can do is we can select these 2 nodes, copy those, and add those here. Copy 2 steps. And now we are done. So that's a quick and easy way of editing a very complex program in program and attaching the flow where we want it to go, so we get that flow exactly how we want it. And that's how we get in the weeds with Engagement Studio Program and editing hard things.